Hello, Hello friends. Today we will solve Geek for Geek problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is replace all 0 with 1. So which is asked in most frequent company in Amazon. So now we open this question. So the question is given a number n, the task is to complete the function convert 5, which replace all 0 in the number with 5 and return the number. So the input is 2 1 0 0 4 1 2 1. So the output is 1 5 5 4. Here all the zeros are replaced by 5. So now we see, since this is a functional problem, you don't have to worry about input, you just have to complete the function. So first we will use here approach. So first we will get each digit and then we will check it is 0, then we will replace it and we will get a reverse number, then we will again that number will be reversed, so we will get original number replaced by 0 with 5. So first we will make two variable. First variable would be int answer equal to 0. Second variable would be final answer equal to 0. First we will use while loop. While n greater than 0, and we will get last digit of number like 4. So here we make an variable and reminder equals to, and here we use for getting reminder and modulo. So we get reminder. Now we check reminder equal to 0. If yes, then we will replace the value of reminder with 5. Now we add in answer variable. So answer equal to answer multiplied by 10 plus reminder. Now we reduce the value of n equal to n divided by 10. So now we use one more while loop. So for reversing this answer value, then we will get correct answer. So now we again write this while loop. Now the n will be answer. So answer greater than equal to 0. So now we get again int reminder variable. Here we get again last digit. So reminder answer modulo 10. Now we get reverse number which is correct number. Final answer equal to final answer multiplied by 10 plus reminder. Now we again reduce the value of answer equal to divide by 10. Now we simply return the value of final answer. Return final answer. So now we compile and run this code. So some network issues. Now we again compile and run. So now again compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now we check all test cases. So now we submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.